pretty, right? Good morning, Royalty. Oh, that baby's sleepy. Hi, husband. Good morning. All right, you guys. I'm going to find my gate, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys. Okay. We made it through. Say hi, Boo-Boo.
Hi.
Look at husband. Oh my goodness, y'all. I think the process of getting from point A to B is the worst. But then once you're through, it's like this. Empty. Empty. That's how we like it. Look at fast. I see. So yeah, so we were able to, once we first got here, a guy took us off the line and took care of us fast. And then when we got in, we thought, well, what we thought was carry-on size. We had to check it. So we ended up having to check 4 bags instead of 2. God is good. God is good. That's all I can say. Look at Mufasa. Ah, Hakuna Matata. Yeah, so now we are heading to our gate. Yeah. So I'm getting excited. Oh, okay, Kylie. We see you. Get your little quick makeup. Look how empty. You wouldn't even think it was all those people downstairs. I ain't show y'all because I don't want people all being like.
Mommy, no.
Okay, well let's get some Dunkin'. Yeah. This what she like. This what she like.
Hey, someone corny.
This the part, right, babe? Yeah, that's the part she like. Welcome to New York. Goodbye, New York.
Mom,
I see. Look what she finds.
I can't put this dress.
Don't think about it. It's not happening. Yeah. So we finally pushed through. It is awkward talking into a camera. And people looking at you. This one here.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed, once again, it's going to be Eve at the front board call. American Express 2369, South of Phoenix.
Royalty, you don't want this? So put it in. Why, you don't like it? And you waste it. And you wanted to get 2. Put it in the bag. I knew you wasn't gonna like it. I'm not freaking happy because I left my laptop. Oh, how could I?
Carrying firearms to a TSA screening checkpoint at an airport is prohibited by federal law and regulations. Carry on bags.
So we stopped in Dunkin' Donuts and they got a new drink called the cookie latte. So I got that. Greg got a Gatorade. Yep, I'm a mom. My daughter she would just come and put her toy. Who's that?
Tiana. And
what movie she's from?
Princess of the Frog. And my other Barbie that's wearing red is from Barbie movie.
Oh, she is?
Yeah, do you want to
With the
touch
afro?
No, she has hair that's out.
An afro. What movie she's in?
Barbie movie.
She is? Oh, I didn't really recognize.
So you can touch her if you want. You can touch her hair. You can touch her hair.
Alright, I'm ready to get on the plane. We have about like 25 minutes till we board, so we're about to board.
I'm so excited.
Why are you excited?
Because I wanted to so much. That's why I did Rasta colors. When Rasta people look at it.
She did Rasta colors.
Well,
So,
you actually did.
so when they see you, they could say what? Wagwan?
Again, the boarding line for flight 680 to Montego Bay.
Just said, weirdo. There you go.
Thank you.
It's the airplane, Daddy.
Oh, it's cold. We made it through, guys. Come, look. The Walk of Fame to JA. Look at my little empress. Ooh. Remember the last time we left our stroller, babe? Great. Oh, look at the man. Wow.
I got something. I got something.
I knew this wasn't gonna be easy.
I got a present. I got a bag.
We're on the plane. We made it. No, we didn't make it there, but we left at 3:30 a.m. And we're just getting.
Taking my dog.
So lift this up. And Royalty is just. Of course, she has the window seat because she was fiending.
Grandma told me to give me the window seat.
Grandma said, "Get the window seat."
That's why I want it. I want to fly already and see.
God did. Okay. Alright, y'all. They ain't got no TVs. I'm gonna be looking at my phone.
People in the deck.
See you in a few.
Rose Valentine, we have your duty free. I need your receipt.
Hi guys. Up, 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 up.
I'm so tired.
Oh,
Sorry, baby. I'm
clouds moving. Oh,
Tip. Mama, blow the horn for me, mama. You did the immigration form already?
Yeah, I did it already.
One for you, one for
Yes.
one for
Yes.
yourself? Okay.
He just have the passport, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it online, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, great. Tip. Yes.
You say I can hug her.
Okay, you gonna record?
Hey, Mommy. Hi. Why she's in a wheelchair? I don't know.
Cause my knee.
Stop acting like you're old. You're not old, Mommy.
So it's not just old people who have problems with their knees? You know
Wait, what? Wait, what did you just say?
You know how many times your mother dropped down?
Well,
And that's how I hurt my knee.
JAMAICAN. White people are crazy.
I know.
Beep, 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 beep.
Yes, that's what he's bringing us to.
Beep, beep.
It smells good.
Do it. We got through so fast. He really looked out for us. I'm gonna tell y'all once we out of here what happened.
But when I say if you live in our country, you're supposed to be able to save and put towards a house. You can't do this in Jamaica as a Jamaican. And you say you want to bring yourself out of a certain situation. If you never have a guy, and a part of them in your life.